What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now you caught it, we unboxed the iPhone 15 Pro Max in blue titanium. It looks stunning. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave it up here for you guys to check out. But Pitaka were kind enough to send over one of the first cases. So we've got the Adamant Fiber 600D MagEZ case 4, 6.7, which is the Pro Max. A caseless feeling. If we turn it over, it has got Pitaflow, ultra slim and light, a caseless feeling, MagSafe compatible, we'll check that out, and 100% biodegradable package, black, grey, works with Pitaflow for iPhones. We should be getting that in soon, so I can show you that in the car. But let's just go ahead, get this out and get it on the phone. So this is one of the first cases we've received. We have got other case videos coming soon. We're going for the daily upload, so stay tuned. But there we go. So Pitaka, we care for the planet, that's why it's in this biodegradable packaging. But let's go ahead, let's take it out. Ready, the game is about to begin. To kick things off, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and NFC scanning is turned on. Then focus in the center of the Pitaka logo and scan it. So there. You can open up a world of wallpaper, music, games and support. There is the new MagEZ Case 4. Pitaka logo on the bottom. The new camera housing looks fantastic. Cutouts, MagSafe, all your cutouts here. Now Pitaka are sending over some more cases, so we're going to do a big Pitaka video. Everything they've got, so stay tuned for that video. It's coming very soon. But there it is. There's the new Adamant Fiber Pitaka case. Let me know what you think of that in the comments. Would this be something you'd use because of those cut open sides, the top and the bottom? Because your iPhone's obviously going to be showing, you know, bits and pieces of the phone. I don't really want to get it damaged, but never mind. Here we go, let's go ahead. All nicely in there, as you can see, the blue titanium with the action button, your volume rockers, your power switch on this side, cut out for that USB-C speaker microphone, ever so slightly cut out on the top. There's the blue titanium camera housing with the black surround on it, Pitaka logo on the bottom. So let me just check what else we get in the box here. Removal instructions. Use the sticker to improve the fit of the case if it doesn't fit quite well due to slightly different manufacturing tolerances of the phone. Stick here, it shows different points of where you stick these. It's a nice touch. So removal instruction, let's place that out the way. Let's bring in the charger. So we got the Nomad base right here. So Pitaka case, supposed to have MagSafe. And there we go. And it's now charging. It's MagSafe. And it can actually pick up the bass. It can actually pick up the bass, it's that strong. Oh my god. Pitaka have Pitaka have outdone themselves here. It literally, I mean, it can pick the bass up, and this ain't no light bass. That's impressive. That is really impressive. Well done, Pitaka, I like that a lot. Pitaka logo on the bottom, it looks great. Those cutouts obviously may be a concern to some of you, but for me, I think that looks absolutely fantastic. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. I'll leave links to where you can pick it up for yourself. Let me know if you're going to pick one of these up. Let me know what iPhone you picked up. That's amazing. This is going to be my case going forward. Tons and tons of case videos. We're doing this as a daily upload, so get ready for that. Stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button. Drop a like if you liked it. Subs if you loved it. And I will see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. That's amazing. That's amazing. Pitaka, top notch. Well done, guys. That's perfect. Yeah. See you tomorrow, guys. Take care.